Hey y'all, this is gonna be another update video, but this time, this is about termination. This is me terminating my elevator videos and content regarding elevators, at least working ones. I will still continue to do my project videos, just depending on how I see fit and what I really feel like doing. But as far as actual elevators, I will not be posting anymore. I haven't been filming elevator videos for quite a while. It's been a few months since I've last gone out filming, and that was out in Corpus Christi. So, there's multiple reasons behind this. The first being that all the stuff is basically modernized now, and I like to make the joke that some places are so up to date that they've had their elevators modernized twice. And in Houston, that is very true. Yeah, you can't get any closer to the truth than that in a place like that. Some of those have been modded at least 2 or 3 times. And there's a lot of immaturity that comes around modernizations and how, like, oh, the company could do so much better than this, but in reality, it's not up to the company, it's up to the building owner and who decides to get the mod. It's not the company at all, because one of the techs that I know absolutely hates the surface mount MAD stuff. He's like, oh, these things suck. And, yeah, no one really likes those things. But, yeah, as far as the community, it's in a very bad shape, basically in total war at this point, and the only safe thing to do is to just completely pull away from posting elevator videos or even filming elevators, because there's also a lot of criminal activity that goes on within this community, such as stealing, trespassing, and even some breaking and entering, all of which are not okay. And that's not what this community was meant to be. It wasn't meant to be built around, people trying to one-up each other and, see what the coolest thing that they could get could be. And it's just not a good place for anyone starting out or that is trying to stay away. It's really not. And if I were to continue to post videos, I would probably still be considered affiliated, and I don't want that. So the only safe option for me right now is to just put this announcement out there. I know I made a community post saying that I was unaffiliated, but I feel like it should be addressed in an actual video, so that way there is no misconception as to whether I'm still affiliated or not. Because I haven't been affiliated since November 2021. And I don't plan to come back anytime soon, let alone at all. So, for the sake of my mental health and well-being, I'm not going to post any elevator content or even any part projects for a while. because the parts projects, they're kind of few and far between anyway. But I haven't gone out to film elevators in quite a while. If I get a chance to see something really cool, I may consider filming it. But as for posting it, it likely will not be posted until 2024. So that's where I'm at with any incoming elevator content, if there even is any at all. But I just want y'all to know I'm not quitting YouTube. I will still do my music videos that I've been doing, and other hardware projects like fluorescent lighting. I know y'all are probably going to like those. So, yeah. I hope this was informative to y'all, and I hope y'all have a fantastic new year. And I will talk to y'all real soon.